Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the surface and softening the glue. This saves time and prevents damage. Score the paper lightly so the solution penetrates. Do not gouge the wall. Once scored, saturate a 1 warm water and liquid fabric softener mix. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so adhesive breaks down. You want the paper to peel without ripping the underlying plaster. If it resists, repeat wetting in the same spot and give it more dwell time. You now work methodically across the wall. Peel long strips at a low angle and support the paper so it comes off cleanly. When only backing or dried paste remains, re-wet and scrape gently with a wide putty knife. For stubborn spots, move the steamer slowly and follow with scraping. Once surface material is removed, wash the wall with warm water and a mild detergent to remove adhesive residue. Then rinse and dry thoroughly so you get a sound substrate for repairs or new finish. You finish by repairing and stabilizing the wall so the new finish adheres. Fill holes and gouges with joint compound, sand smooth when dry, and remove dust with a vacuum or tack cloth. Then apply a stain-blocking primer. Choose a high-adhesion primer for damaged or glossy areas, so paint or new wallpaper bonds properly. If you still see adhesive stains, repeat cleaning or try a stronger cleaner like a TSB alternative. Make sure to test primer adhesion on a small patch before completing the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.